Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Natasha Denona Glam face palette testing and review. This was another palette that I picked up from Sephora that I felt like it needed its own dedicated video. But before we hop into this video, don't forget to subscribe as well as thumb up this video if you enjoy. Happy Christmas Eve or happy December 24th if you don't celebrate. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, I don't have no makeup on, no nothing besides my eyebrows and primer, because we are doing our Glam face palette testing and review for Natasha Denona. This is in the dark version. I've seen videos of the light version, but I haven't really seen, well, people who I watch, I haven't seen them test out the dark version. So here I am. Again, I might be late to the game. My opinion may not be wanted, but I'm giving it. So if you've never seen the dark one, this is what it looks like. It's this reflective bronze colored packaging, and this says ND and Glam face palette. And then on the inside is this huge mirror, and you get a cream blush, a highlighter, and then your 5 eyeshadow colors down here. And what I like about this palette is that it tells you down at the bottom what each color is for. So this says this is for the outer corner, this is a transition, this is to smoke out either your lash line or bottom lash line, this is for the inner corner, and this is for the crease. So you can do a very neutral look using this palette. It's good for traveling because you have everything here that you need. I still want to test out the light, even though I know the dark might fit my skin tone better. But if I like it, I might pick up the light if it's in stock. So yeah, let's hop right into this video. We're gonna work on the eyes first, and I'm technically just gonna go by what each one is for. So we're gonna start off with the transition color. All the brushes that I'm using are going to be from Morphe. So I'm going to pick up this big old fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go into transition and put this in my transition on my eye. So it is powdery, but there's not that much kickback, but that's inedible for most palettes. There's always going to be some type of pickup. So okay, so the next color I'm going to go into is the crease color, which is here at the end, and throw that in my crease and a little bit on the outer corner as well, but mainly focusing the color in the crease. Now this color is pressed a little bit harder than transition. It's not that much kick up compared to the transition color, but it still coated my brush very nicely. Okay, so now you can leave it like this, throw on some liner, mascara, and do your face and go on about your business. But I'm going to amp it up just a little bit because the outfit that I'm wearing today, because as soon as I finish recording this video, you guys, I'm about to run out and do some last minute Christmas shopping. And even though this outfit is basic and I really shouldn't be going out there with a glam eye, I'm just gonna go out there with a glam eye because why the hell not? So I'm going to take the color Smoke. Actually, I need to get a smaller brush. So I'm gonna take this pencil brush here, and I'm gonna go into Smoke and start smoking out my lash line. Okay, smoke is very pigmented and powdery, so be careful with that. And I'm gonna, don't pull your eyes, but I'm going to, just so I can smoke out the lash line. Okay, and last but not least, so I'm not going to use outer corner just because it doesn't go with the vibe of the outfit, but I am going to take the inner corner color and obviously throw that in the inner corner. So I'm taking this flat shader brush. So this sort of has like a flip to it because it looks like a champagne gold in here, but then when you rub your finger, it has like a bronze undertone. And again, we're just going to place that in the inner corners. Okay, I'm glad I did this first because there is some fallout even with the brush. It's mainly more fallout on this side compared to the other side, but just be cautious of that there is some fallout. Okay, but that's gonna get covered up with foundation and concealer and all that other stuff, which I am about to do off camera. And I'm also going to throw on my mascara and lashes. So the mascara, the lashes that I'm using today is going to be my Demi Wispies from Kiss. And I probably just use my Holy Grail mascara, the Monsieur Big from Lancome. So I'm going to do all that and then we'll be back for the blush and the highlight. Alright guys, so let's wrap up this video. So as you can see, lashes and lip and everything is on. I had to touch up on the inner corners because I did lose some of that shine when I put on my face makeup. However, I only set underneath of my eyes and T-zone. I haven't set the rest of my face because we are using a cream blush. I don't want to use this cream over top of a powder, even though the reviews that I've read and the reviews that I saw said that you can use this cream blush over powder as well and it doesn't interrupt your foundation, but I just don't trust it yet. So I'm gonna go into our cream blush and it has like this little protective cover so it won't get messed up, which I love. And this color is more of a rosy deep brown type of color, so it's perfect for, like I said, obviously dark skin tones for it to show up. So I'm just going to take this angle brush and I'm just going to dip in here. So quite a lot picks up. And I'm just going to stipple it starting from the back and then working my way down. That's a beautiful color. Okay, so you can build it up if you wanted to. I think this is good enough for me. It's super subtle and it's not bam in your face while I'm gonna be out running my errands and stuff like that. So I love it. Now I'm going to do my bronzer. I'm using my Siete London After Ruby Island bronzer. And I'm using this bronzer because it sort of has a red undertone to it, so it sort of kind of blends in with the blush. And to set our face, I'm using my Black Opal medium golden brown. I finally hit pan on this, you guys. I finally hit pan on this, but it's a good setting powder for my skin tone. So, and I don't even know if they even make this anymore, but I love it to set everywhere else. Now, before we set our face, we need to do our highlighter. So, I'm gonna go into Star Glow. And this looks like a nice gold color. A lot picks up on the brush, so tread lightly. Alright, I will say that highlighter is very pigmented. You guys see it? Do you see the glow? Do you see it? Do you see it? That glow is, especially on this side. Especially on this side. I went a little bit too ham on this side. And hopefully that calmed it down, because baby, that is a highlighter. Okay, you understand? That is a highlighter. So now let's set our face. If we want it to stay on all day, I'm going to use my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay guys, and that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let me give you my final opinions on this palette. So my final opinions of the Natasha Denona Glam Face palette is, I do think it is worth it. This retails for $59, and you have amazing colors in here for people that are my skin tone or deeper, and I think all of the colors just coordinate together very well, and it complements, like I said, our skin tone, and I really love it. And this is good for traveling if you don't want to pack so many things in here, because you have your eyeshadows, your blush, and your highlighter in here. So now all you have to worry about is the little things like the foundation and the concealer and things like that. That's less things you will have to put in your travel bag. So this is great for traveling. Again, though, it is $59, so you have to evaluate whether that is, excuse me. So you do have to evaluate whether or not that is efficient enough for you to purchase this palette. They also have a light version, which I'm thinking about picking up if it's back in stock. Last time I checked, both palettes were out of stock online and in store, but they might have already restocked on these things. And if the light is in stock, I might pick this up and test it out. If I like it, then I'll keep it. If it doesn't fit my skin tone, then I'll just pass it along to my little sister, because she has a lighter skin tone than I do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this testing / review of the Glam Face palette, the dark version. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!